Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
बारिश का मौसम किसको पसंद नहीं होता? हम सबको बहुत पसंद है, स्पेशली द फ्रेश स्मेल ऑफ वेट अर्थ। लेकिन ये बारिश का सीजन अपने साथ कुछ चैलेंजेस भी लाता है। And welcome to another episode of Eat Right. We all are enjoying rain showers, but along with that, due to high humidity, we are facing not only skin problems but also health issues like indigestion and diarrhea becoming more common. During monsoon, we face many stomach issues due to our happy weather cravings and the weather itself. So what to eat and what not to eat can be confusing. So there are certain food items that you should avoid during this season to enjoy the rains. First is leafy vegetables. While leafy greens are usually a powerhouses of nutrients, but the damp and humid conditions of the monsoon turn them into a bacteria magnet causing stomach problems. So skipping spinach, cabbage and lettuce during this season is best. As tempting as street food is, but the humid conditions and rain exposure make it easy for bacteria to contaminate street food. Street vendors might not always maintain proper hygiene and the ingredients could be exposed to contaminated water or unclean surroundings. So it's best to avoid it to prevent food poisoning and gastrointestinal infections. लेकिन बारिश के मौसम में किसको पसंद नहीं होता है गरम गरम पकौड़े खाना? तो क्या करें? आप इसे घर पे बना सकते हैं. Another food item that we should avoid during this season is seafood. Monsoon rains wash pollutants into rivers, lakes and seas, contaminating food. This can lead to long-term health issues from ingesting harmful substances like heavy metals and chemicals. Plus, seafood spoils faster in humid conditions, upping the risk of food poisoning. It's also the breeding season for many fishes, meaning less fresh quality seafood. Consuming contaminated fish can lead to gastrointestinal disorders like vomiting and diarrhea. Not only seafood, but mushrooms are also very harmful for you in this weather. Mushrooms thrive in damp environments. They grow in soil that can harbor bacteria, increasing the risk of infection. Some mushrooms are also tough to digest, potentially causing stomach upset and worsening existing health issues. Lastly, beans and lentils, which are great sources of protein and fiber, but their high oligosaccharide content can cause gas and bloating. These complex carbs are tough to digest, leading to slower digestion and discomfort, especially when your body is already dealing with high humidity. We're not saying that you should avoid these foods entirely, but try to limit them during this season to steer clear of stomach problems, vomiting and food poisoning. तो सेहत का ख्याल रखें और बारिश का भी मजा लें. That's all for today. Keep watching Eat Right on Fit Tak.